Has anyone here ever tried baked jalapeno poppers? Oh, they're a treat, a perfect blend of spicy, creamy, and crunchy all in one bite. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Grab a baking sheet, line it with parchment paper. Now the fun part, jalapenos. Slice 12 of them in half lengthwise. Be sure to scoop out the seeds and membranes with a spoon. A word of caution though, don't touch your face or eyes while handling these hot things. They might just fight back. Up next, it's time for some mixing. In a bowl, bring together 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir it all up until it's well mixed. Okay, now we are going to take a spoonful of this creamy, cheesy blend and fill up each jalapeno half. Hang tight as we are almost to the finish line. Here's where the crunch comes in. Take a cup of breadcrumbs and let each cheese-filled jalapeno roll in it. Press gently because you want those crumbs to stick to the cheese. Now arrange these on your baking sheet. Give them a light spray of cooking oil. It's the ticket to a beautiful golden brownish tan. Slide them into the oven. Let them bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for tender peppers with cheese melted into bubbly goodness. Once they're done, pull them out and let them cool a bit. No one likes a burnt tongue, right? And there you have it. Baked jalapeno poppers. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below so I can be sure to bring you more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for taking time out to visit my channel today.